Welcome back to Rev Limited, part 4 of our 1992 Acura NSX build in preparation for NSXPO 2022.
In this episode, we're going to remove the brakes, refinish them. We're also going to bleed the whole system, change the fluid out, and then we're going to go to replace the hatch shocks, replace the wheels and tires, and then we're going to remove the tint and get this car ready for the road. So let's do it. Alright, now that all the calipers are refinished and reinstalled, let's go through and bleed the system, and we're going to go ahead and replace all the fluid as well. We're going to start with the right rear and work our way around. Alright, so next we're going to replace the engine cover shocks and the trunk shocks. Good.
So to replace the OE engine glass shocks, these are our old ones. Here's our new ones, check them out. Beautiful piece from Science of Speed, comes with everything you need. The lower bracket that goes over here in the corner, the two little ball sockets. Let's put them on.
All right, so now that we have the glass shocks replaced, let's do something about this rear engine cover. We have another one here that we went ahead and covered off camera. If you want to see more on how to do this, check out Richard Graves' video on Lap of the World. He did a very good job showing how to recover this. So we didn't film that. So we'll switch this off camera. So now let's go ahead and replace the wheels and tires. Next, we're going to remove this tint. It's definitely started to age. There's some peeling off on the bottom here, or actually on the top. Yesterday, in preparation, I went ahead and sprayed some really cheap glass cleaner. This is about the only kind that I could find with ammonia in it. This will help remove the glue, loosen up the glue. And we're going to see how well it does. Sprayed it on there last night, and I wrapped a plastic bag around the whole glass to hopefully keep some of that glass cleaner in. So let's see what it does. All right, so now that we've got the car mostly wrapped up, let's take it out for a test drive and see how the intake sounds.
Folks, that's a wrap on part 4 of our NSX build for the NSXPO 2022. Over the last 4 long weeks, we've been through the timing belt and water pump, spark plugs, a new AC compressor, expansion valve, the dryer up front, the HVAC box, which has got the evaporator core and the heater core in it. We pulled the interior out of this car. We've cleaned everything. We've spent hours, it seemed like, removing tint from the back glass and on and on. We've done away with those awful wheels. Got ourselves a great looking set of Honda wheels. Jace?
Hi, yeah, I'm Chase, and I help over here at Rev Limited. I painted the fender for Charles, also helped assemble it, and gonna help detail it, and hopefully they can get on a good road trip.
Good
Just
deal.
about time for the trip, ain't it, Charles?
That's right. So before we go on the trip, we will clean it up a little bit more. We probably won't do a full detail like we would, like if it's ready for sale, just for the fact that 3,000 miles is going to put a lot of punishment on this paint. But that being said, we are ready to go, and stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment, and come back for more. Stay tuned for the next week. We're going to actually get on the road and take this car to Arizona. We've got a lot of cool surprises on the way, and it's going to be a fun ride.
I'm just glad we have a floor, because you think about it, all the times you drop stuff, if we didn't have like a floor, like if we were just kind of floating, you know what I mean? Like we were floating like 40 miles above an imaginary bottom somewhere, like an ocean, but without water, but we're still standing on the surface of the water, and you dropped a bolt.
Just
See,
like
that stop, it's only like 6 feet away. It's convenient. It's right there for you. Like, can you hover down?
I'm not trying to do this, guys.
They're only 6 feet away. Don't panic.